next concept, Heron's formula. The formula is given by Heron. About the area of a triangle. Is known as Heron's formula. Take the triangle. The vertices are A, B, C. Before going to Heron's formula, what is area? The total region which is enclosed by a plane figure. So this is our required area. Now we should find out area of this triangle. So let us measure the sides. The length of BC, let it be small a. Why? Because the vertex A is here, their opposite side, you have to treat their length as small a. Similar concept. Now the length of AC is small b. Why? Because this side is opposite to the vertex of B. Similarly, the length of AB is small c, because the vertex of C, their opposite side is AB. That's why this is treated as small c. Now, according to the Heron's formula, area of the triangle is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is going to be take the total sides of the triangle. Total sides is here A plus B plus C and divided by 2. So this is nothing but semi-perimeter. So here S denotes semi-perimeter of the triangle. Note, this formula is applicable to all types of triangles. And one more note point, this formula is useful to find height of the triangle. Is not easy in any triangles. This formula is helpful, which is not find height of a triangle is easily.